Wait, make sure you watch this video before you launch your next Facebook ads campaign, because I'm about to reveal and unveil 10 costly mistakes you are making right now, and this is why you're not getting good return on your ad spend. If you want to know these mistakes and how you can fix these mistakes, then keep watching this video. Okay guys, so welcome back. Now the first mistake you are making unknowingly is not subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so that was just a joke, but please, if you are a returning viewer or a new person on my channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button below, because here I share pure Facebook ads tutorial tips, strategies that will help you get more results. And also please like this video so that YouTube can show it to more people that are looking for similar solution. Okay guys, so let's get started. Now the first mistake that I see people make is turning on and turning off their Facebook ads campaign. Funny enough, this week I've gotten about 2 people send me message as regards their Facebook ads campaign, and one of the things they talked about is turning on and turning off your campaign. You see, there is this thing called the learning phase on Facebook ads platform. So you want to ensure you do not touch the toggle on or toggle off button when you have a campaign or an advert that is doing well. That is number one mistake you want to avoid at all costs. Now the second mistake is you want to ensure before you launch any campaign at all, any type of campaign at all on Facebook ads platform, make sure you are testing. Okay, probably you are just running a page likes campaign, you might not want to consider that. But if you are trying to generate leads, quality leads, and also get sales through Facebook ads platform, make sure you are testing. Don't make assumption. You see, this week alone I've gotten about 3 people message me, Samuel, which of these advert creative will work best? And I will tell you, I might tell you from experience this will work best, but I still tell you, make sure you are testing. You don't want to make any assumption. In fact, when you are not sure is the right time for you to what? Test. Make sure you are testing. Never make that mistake of launching a campaign without testing, because you never can tell which of this creative, which of this copy your audience or your targeted market will resonate and engage with. So very important, make sure you are testing. But the problem here is that people don't know what to test, how to test, the sequence of testing. But this is not why I'm recording this video. I've actually covered that in my new course. Let's continue. Okay, so the third mistake that people are making is that your advert has no scent. Now this is what I'm trying to say. There should be congruency between your advert and your landing page. I mean, when someone sees your advert and they clicked on your advert, when they visit your landing page or your ad destination, there should be some form of uniformity. Now, how do you do this? Your design matters, your color scheme, all of these things matter. Imagine seeing an advert and you visit the landing page and everything is just totally different. This will increase your bounce rate, and when your bounce rate is increased, it means people just visit and leave immediately. So you want to ensure there is some form of scent on your advert. Do you get it now? So that is the third mistake you are probably making. Guys, if you are getting value from this video, give this video a thumbs up. Now the fourth mistake you are probably making is that your website loads very slow. Most people do still understand the effect or the impact of low page speed on your campaign. It has a very big and huge impact. The thing is, when you try visiting a website and it keeps loading without showing the website content, you just leave. Especially if you are watching from a third world nation, I won't mention any country here, you know how creepy the network could be. And so imagine having a website that loads very slow again. That is a big turn off. So make sure you work on your website page speed. So make sure you watch, make sure you check the description of this particular video. I'll put some useful link at the top, so make sure you check. These links will take you to some tutorial, because I have a tutorial on how you can increase your page speed. So make sure you watch or check the description of this video. Now, the fifth mistake you are probably making now is you are running too many campaigns at the same time on one ad account. This mistake is very popular between newbies. Now, here is the thing. Funny enough, currently Facebook now recommends, if you have multiple campaigns with the same objective, make sure you put them under one campaign instead of having multiple campaigns for that. But the essence of what I'm saying here is this: if you have many campaigns running, it's just like you stiffening the Facebook algorithm. Do you understand now? So it will take time for it to optimize and deliver result for you. So make sure you do not have so many campaigns running at the same time. Very important. Now, the sixth mistake that people are making is trying to sell on your advert. That is very wrong, because you are not trying to sell. You should not be trying to sell on your advert. You should be trying to get people to click from your advert to your ad destination. Do you get it now? All of the sales you want to do will be done on your ad destination. Either you are getting leads, you call them, you close them, right? Or you are sending them to a landing page. There you have everything, your sales copy, your sales letter about what you are promoting. Very important. Your advert should just be compelling enough for people to click and visit your website. Another thing is, you want to ensure there is some form of congruency between your advert and your creative. Do you get it now? So that is very important. Okay, so the seventh mistake you are probably making now is that you are sending traffic to a poor offer. Now, I've talked about this, I talked about this some days ago. You see, even if you are getting quality traffic from Facebook, but your offer is very poor, trust me, you won't still get conversion. And the thing is, you just keep on blaming Mark Zuckerberg, thinking it was the one that caused it. Meanwhile, it is your fault. So before you launch your campaign, make sure you have audited your offer. And there is a way you can do this to be sure that, okay, you have the right offer, because you don't want to be showing the wrong offer to the right audience. They won't buy. You just keep on wasting your money. So in case you don't know how to create or craft a good offer, an irresistible offer, an irrefusable offer, I actually covered this in my course, my new course, the Ultimate Profitable Facebook Ads Blueprint course. This course is what you need, and I actually dedicated one module to creating offer. Okay guys, so the next mistake I'll talk about is, now this is not from your hand, actually it is from Facebook end. After the iOS 14 update, Facebook has not been tracking your data accurately, your campaign data accurately, and the reporting, there has been some lag in their report, but you might not know, and this will also affect you, because when you check some of your adverts and you think this particular campaign is not working fine, probably it was working, it was converting, it's just that there is a delay from the part of Facebook, so they are not reporting the conversion. They get, it might take some days before they report the conversion, and you might not know. So that will affect your decision making. You know, you want to make decision based on your data, so this will affect your decision making. So what you can do is to make use of conversion API instead of just installing your pixel. This conversion API, make sure you are getting accurate data, like your data is tracked accurately. Now, the ninth mistake you are probably making right now is that when you have a campaign that is doing well, you just feel relaxed. Now, that is very bad, unless you just want to sell probably few pieces of your product, or you want to sell your offer to just a very small group of people. But if you know you want to keep selling this make sure when you have a campaign that is doing well or an advert that is doing well, that is not the best time to relax. That is when you need to study the campaigns that are doing well. Then you replicate, create similar advert creative, write similar ad copy. Do you get it now? So you keep launching a new copy and do that so that you can sustain the life of your campaign. This is very, very important. But most people don't know how to churn out a new copy with different marketing angle. I understand, and this is one of the things I covered in my course. Okay guys, so the 10th mistake you are probably making, trust me, most of you that will be watching this video, you are guilty of this mistake, and it is not retargeting your warm and hot audience. Now listen, these people already know about you. They have probably bought from you, they have seen your video, engaged with your content. These are the best kind of audience to sell to advertise to. They will always convert if done the right way. But in case you don't know how to retarget your customer, don't worry, there is a video that I did at the beginning of this year on retargeting. So with this, you can recover your lost sales, your abandoned sales, or even remarket to your existing customers. I'll put the link in the description of this video. So guys, I want to believe you got value from this video. Now here is the thing, if you're not on my Telegram channel, do well to go to adelikesamuel.com/telegram, visit that link and join my channel, because I share some updates on my Telegram channel. And also, if you want to send me a message on Instagram at adelikesamuel01, and you can as well follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook at adelikesamuel01. I'll put the link in the description, and you can also visit the link you are currently seeing on your screen. But if you want to send me a DM, a direct message, DM me on Instagram. So guys, I want to believe you have gotten value from this video. And in case you don't know, my course launches fully on the 1st of April 2022. So if you are watching this video probably after April 1, then trust me, the course is finally launched. But if not, make sure you go check the sales page and lock in your spot. At the moment, you can pre-order at 50% discount, but after April 1st, that is some couple of days away. After April 1st, you'll be paying double the current price. Okay guys, so please, if you got value from this video, do well to like, comment, share this video with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do well to hit the subscribe button below, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.